foul came, had to kick it out. They swing it over to Barroca. He'll bring it closer. Get fouled, take it, and I think it's going to count. Yeah, they will count it. That's a smart play from a veteran who heard the whistle and then threw it out.
Let's take a look at that again.
Foul. Handing it over to Onoberi. Bidalik inside, and look at that. Gio is all alone underneath. Dahil dyan, si Coach Chito Victorero calls a timeout. He's not happy with the way his team is playing defense. Lee trying to find space, goes out to Abueva in rhythm of three, and that's good for the Beast.
Ganda ng pasok ng dalawang off the bench, si Paul Lee at saka ni Calvin Abueva. Pelikula para sa kanila.
Naka 4-3 na kasi ito. Oh, pangalawang 4-point shot. Ito si Peter Alfaro, a quick 8 points for the rookie.
So nakangano, pinabayaan mo naman, tinignan mo ng dalawang 5.
Rome De La Rosa really wants this. Goes all the way. And Rome De La Rosa very determined sa play na yun. He really wanted to attack the basket. He'll make a shot immediately, and he gets it. He'll step back, put it up, and make it. And a great substitution, Doc, na ginawa ni Bonnie Tando to put in the guy. Inside to Cade. Cade creates some space. Gets that bucket inside and upset. Si Coach Chito Victorero didn't like the sequences on offense and on defense. As his team holding that ball a couple of times. Here's Sangalang at the baseline.
Well, they're very fortunate talking about Magnolia.
Lastimosa wanted it on the other side. Instead, Rome will take it. And he hits it. It's back-to-back threes for Magnolia. And the lead is back up to 8, which signals a timeout from Coach Bonnie.
There's Nelly. Nice pass.
Alalon!
Yes.
Finishes, and he's fouled along the way. Bonus free throw coming up para kay Gio.
I remember when Gio was with Alud dito.
Paul Lee down to Zave. Zave the up fake goes to Eriobu, who completes that. Meron pang fouls on Joseph Eriobu, who lost the ball on that last play. He's trying to make up for it now. Chance for bonus 15-9. Kanina biggest lead nila. Jerome wants score of his own. Nakakarami na itong mga to sa fours in this game.
Yeah, despite playing in a venue where they don't play a lot. Ito na, nakarinig ka na.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's one of the things na pinag-usapan nila na. Let's
pound it inside. Nobody's gonna guard Sangalang on a 1-on-1. They have to.
Gubere, and then Munzon dropping it to Navarro yet again. How many times have we seen that connection? And it's a 5-point lead for Northport. Looking good. Ganado sila right now. They feel they have a chance. Seater. Kabilang kanto. Ayan na naman. Can he finally get it? Yes, that's going to count. That's a chance for a 3-point play para kay Mark Barroca. Everybody's upset. The defense is upset. Kate Flores to Cuecote. Puts it up from 3-land on the corner. That's a 10-point lead in favor of Northport. Chito Victorero needs to call a timeout. Northport has all the 5 seconds. Kicks it over to Zave. He'll take a 3 from the top of the key.
It looked good. Pag-release pa lang. They all forgot Lucero can make 3-point shots.
That's a big one from Zave. This battle, the Lucero versus Navarro. Nelly from...
Kaya niya.
Oh, look at that!
Kaya niya yan. He can make shots like that. That's why I like him on the floor. He's a zone breaker that makes the right shot. Ayun, dalawa, maraming pinaglalabanan niya. Tagal na yan. Lasal na niya.
Adamson. Well, he had some words for Lastimosa, and Lastimosa's upset. He's wondering, what did I do? And Barroca's getting a bit tired. He just didn't push that one anymore. Paul Lee! Is that a 4? That's a 4 for Paul Lee. All of of a sudden, apat naman ang lamang ng Magnolia. Rebound again. Munzon releases. Too strong. Navarro one more time with a foul to boot. A chance for a three-point play. William Navarro, he's just lording it over in the rebounding department. Another offensive rebound.
For them so far.
Abueva outside the pole. Another four perhaps.
Yeah.
Yes! This might be the game with the most fours that we've seen.
Yeah.
I think there's 8 or 9 already for Northport. Paulie to the corner. Aris again.
Yes!
What an addition this guy has been here in the second half. Aris Jonicio.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Angat ang laban.